So this is a really good forearm flexor stretch and mobilisation for the finger tendons, for the long tendons and the muscles in the inner side of the forearm here. It's really good when you get up in the morning, especially if you do a lot of work on instruments. So you're a musician, therapist, doing a lot of hands-on work, manual labourers, doing lots of hand work. So you can get very tight in this area here. It can cramp up and all sorts of things. So there's a few muscles this works in particular. So the flexor digitorum superficialis, which comes down through here and connects onto the middle segment of the fingers here. Then flexor digitorum profundis, which then goes down all the fingers here as well. So about this section of the ulnar bone here connects through here, and the tendon goes down to the last digit part of the fingers here, so it connects onto there. But the main thing is that you can do this. So you're on your bed, and you've got your hands straight out to the sides, and you're just putting weight over that side. So I feel a really good stretch going through here. It's going into my hand, it's sort of spreading my hand out a bit too. Then I go over this side, just very relaxed. I'm not trying to push my fingers into the table or anything. I'm just very passive, just letting the stretch come on. Do about 10 to 20 reps. Not going too crazy. It's being careful with your finger, the sheaths around the tendons here. Don't want to annoy those, irritate them. So it's just comfortable. Should be very comfortable. And the main thing that as I do this, I'm not getting blocked. So some people, when they do this, it blocks here. Don't try to fight past that. You're better off doing stretches that open that up, then try doing that then. If it doesn't work, just leave it for a little bit. There's other things you can do. So it should be just a stretch through here. And then you can start to bend your arm. So it'll peel the hand off, the palm off the surface. So it's just stretching your fingers. So I'm leaning over, bending, leaning over, and bending the arm. Straight arm, let it bend, let the fingers come up. So there's almost this kind of wave as I come off. About 20 reps is good. And how to make this stretch a little bit more, which is adding more rotation through it. Rather than having my fingers point directly out to the side, I'm pointing a little bit to the back corner, back this way a little bit. And then I let my arm then start to rotate around this way. So my fingers are pointing out there, and I rotate my arm a little bit that way, and you'll feel there's a rotational force that goes through and stretches here a bit more. But again, don't force it. So the fingers are going a little bit that way, coming over. So there's fingers like that, and I'm putting pressure going around this way.